Claude Code Remote just came out, which is a feature that's going to allow you to continue a session that you're running on your laptop on the web or on your phone. So let's test it out. I have no idea how to use it, but let's open up Claude in a side project that I have. And let's see. There it is, remote control. Connect this terminal for remote control sessions. Remote control is active, or I can open up on the web. All right, so let's do something here. And a new feature that sends an email per week based on a user's goals progress. This is a new app that I'm working on that allows you to track personal goals. I'm going to ask it to come up with a plan. This: do not take any action. Claude likes to take action. Needs to be reminded not to take action. Let's see what we got. I'd recently built another side project called Claude Buddy that allows me to use Tailscale to remote into a instance running on an old MacBook Pro that I have. That worked reasonably well, but as typical, you write something and then you think it's interesting, and then not too far later, companies come up with the same idea and then implement it. This is probably what's happened here. All right, it's doing a lot of thinking here. Also on the intro, I'm going to copy and paste this URL and I'm going to put it to a browser, see what we get. And there you see, that's pretty amazing. It is reading from my computer from a web browser. It must have tunneled through a connection via SSH, presumably, and is communicating directly with Claude. That is pretty amazing. You can see it working here. As soon as it's finished, I'm going to send it some instructions from web and see what happens on my terminal. Plan, email presentation. It's pretty thorough. Proceed implementing any phase. Start implementing phase 1. You can see it's updating, reading key files. Now let me go back over here, and it's updating here as well. The same. Back and forth. You can see ruminating, tomfoolerying, and just running. That's amazing. And presumably this could also work on an iPhone. So let's copy and paste that URL I copied into the desktop in Safari and put it into Safari on my iPhone app. Let's see how it goes. So it looks like it's opening in Safari. And it looks like it's a continuation of the session. That's pretty amazing. And I think I hit the open button here and it will open it up in the Claude iPhone app. And there it is. Wow. So it's working across desktop, across Safari and mobile, across Claude iPhone, and in your terminal on your personal computer. It's working across all of them. That's amazing. It's truly amazing. All right, you did it way better than I did. That's for sure, Anthropic. Incredible job. All right, well, go play.